Have you ever noticed how your morning coffee gives you energy, but not that kind of energy? You sip it, feel awake, but deep down, something's missing. The spark, the drive, the confidence you once had. If you've been wondering why your energy fades or why erections don't come as easily as before, you're not alone. In fact, millions of men over 40 feel the same way. And the truth is, it's not just about testosterone or aging. It's about how your body handles circulation, stress, and inflammation, 3 silent factors that affect every part of your health. Now here's the good news. There's one natural ingredient that, when added to your daily coffee, can help your blood vessels open up, your energy rise, and your confidence return, even in your 70s or 80s. It's completely safe, backed by urologists, and surprisingly easy to find. I'm Dr. Rosalia Viterbo, and in this video, I'll show you how this one simple addition can help support better erections, stronger energy, and even improve your heart health. Because yes, they're all connected. So before you take another sip of coffee, stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to add to your morning routine to help your body and your confidence come back to life. Let's be honest, men don't usually talk about this. Not with friends, not even with their doctors. But when your body stops responding the way it used to, it quietly changes how you feel about yourself. You start making excuses. You tell yourself it's stress or age or maybe just fatigue. You think, it's normal, I'm getting older. But deep down, you miss that part of you that felt strong, alive, and confident. Here's what most men don't realize. Erection problems aren't just about sex. They're an early warning sign of how your blood vessels and hormones are doing. When blood flow slows down, even a little, the first place it shows is your performance. Your body is literally whispering, hey, something's not right. And yet, we reach for quick fixes, pills, supplements, even energy drinks. They might work for a night, but not for the long run, because they don't address the real issue: circulation, nitric oxide, and inflammation. So let me ask you something. When was the last time you felt truly energized in the morning? Not just awake, but alive? When your body felt light, your mind clear, and your confidence natural? That feeling doesn't have to disappear with age. In fact, science now shows that certain natural compounds can retrain your blood vessels to work like they did decades ago. And one of them fits right into your daily coffee cup. It's simple, affordable, and backed by real research, not internet myths. Because as a urologist, I've seen how small daily habits can either protect or damage your sexual health over time. So before you give up or rely on pills forever, I want to show you how your morning coffee, with one small addition, could help restore your blood flow, your energy, and your sense of self again. Let's get straight to it. The ingredient I'm talking about is L-citrulline, a natural amino acid found in foods like watermelon, cucumbers, and pumpkin. When you add it to your morning coffee, something remarkable happens inside your body. L-citrulline converts into L-arginine, which then boosts nitric oxide, the molecule that relaxes and widens your blood vessels. That means better circulation, more oxygen to your muscles, and yes, stronger, longer-lasting erections. Let's break this down together, step by step. First, understand how blood flow truly works. Erections are not just about hormones or desire. They're about blood flow, plain and simple. When you're aroused, your brain signals your blood vessels to open up, letting blood fill the chambers in the penis. If your arteries are stiff, clogged, or inflamed, that signal weakens. The result? Softer, slower, or short-lived erections. This is why I always tell my patients, your erection is like your body's internal blood pressure test. If it's weak, it's often your circulation asking for help. L-citrulline helps your blood vessels open naturally, without forcing them like a pill would. It gently retrains them, so over time, they work better on their own. Second, combine it with your morning coffee. And here's why it matters. Coffee by itself improves blood flow slightly by stimulating your heart and metabolism. But caffeine can also narrow blood vessels if your body is inflamed or dehydrated. Adding L-citrulline balances that out. It counteracts the tightening effect of caffeine and enhances nitric oxide production. Think of it as giving your morning brew a circulation upgrade. It's like turning your regular coffee into a mini heart and performance tonic. The best part? You don't need much. Most studies show benefits from 1 to 2 grams daily, easy to mix into your coffee or a morning smoothie. And if you don't like supplements, you can get similar effects from fresh watermelon juice or blended cucumber. Natural, clean, and doctor approved. Third, support your nitric oxide with daily habits. L-citrulline works best when your lifestyle supports it. That means keeping your blood vessels healthy from the inside out. Here are a few ways to help it work even better. 1. Move daily. Even 20 minutes of brisk walking improves blood flow. You don't have to hit the gym hard, just move. Your blood vessels are muscles too. They need training. Second, eat for circulation. Dark leafy greens, beets, garlic, and pomegranates naturally boost nitric oxide. Try adding a handful of spinach to your breakfast eggs. Little changes, big impact. Third, manage stress. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which lowers testosterone and narrows arteries. Take 5 minutes a day for deep breathing or gratitude. Your body listens to your thoughts more than you think. 4. Sleep well. Poor sleep decreases nitric oxide and testosterone. Aim for 7 hours in a cool, dark room. You'll notice the difference, not just in your energy, but in your morning vitality. Fourth, don't panic about age. Your body can still respond. I see men in their 50s, 60s, even 80s regain healthy function. Your body never loses the ability to heal. It just needs the right environment. Erection issues often start as a blood vessel problem, not a testosterone problem. That means you can repair it. By improving nitric oxide levels naturally, you're not just helping your sexual health, you're protecting your heart and brain too. Remember, the same arteries that supply blood to the penis supply blood to your heart. So when you support one, you support the other. That's why I love the coffee ritual. It's simple, it's daily, and it's something men already do. So we're not adding a new habit, we're upgrading an existing one. Finally, know what to avoid. Some men unknowingly sabotage their nitric oxide every day. If you're serious about restoring energy and confidence, avoid these 3 traps. 1. Processed meats and high-sodium foods. They damage your blood vessel lining. Swap them for lean protein and fish. Second, too much alcohol. A drink here and there is fine, but chronic use lowers testosterone and circulation. Third, chronic sitting. Sitting for hours reduces pelvic blood flow. Stand up every 45 minutes. Move, stretch, breathe. When you combine small daily habits with L-citrulline and coffee, you create a gentle, steady improvement in your circulation. Over time, men report not just better erections, but more energy, sharper focus, and a calmer mood. Because good blood flow isn't just about the body, it's about confidence, vitality, and the joy of feeling alive again. So, next time you make your morning coffee, think of it as more than caffeine. It's a chance to rebuild your strength, your energy, and your confidence, 1 cup at a time. So let's bring this all together. Your morning coffee can be more than a quick energy boost. It can become a simple, daily way to care for your circulation, your confidence, and your vitality. We talked about L-citrulline, a natural amino acid that helps your body produce nitric oxide, the key molecule for strong, healthy blood flow. When you add it to your coffee, you help your blood vessels open and relax. That means better oxygen delivery, better performance, and better energy throughout the day. You also learned that your erections are a reflection of your cardiovascular health. They tell you what's happening inside your arteries long before any heart test might. That's why this topic isn't just about intimacy, it's about long-term health. And the solution isn't complicated. You don't need expensive pills or extreme routines. You just need to make small, consistent changes. Here's a quick recap. First, support blood flow naturally with L-citrulline, either as a supplement or through foods like watermelon and cucumbers. Second, use your coffee as a tool. Caffeine gives energy, while L-citrulline balances it with better circulation. Third, protect your nitric oxide levels with healthy habits, daily movement, stress control, good sleep, and a diet rich in greens and beets. Finally, stay curious and kind to yourself. Healing isn't about perfection, it's about consistency. Even if you're 60, 70, or 80, your body still responds to care. The human body is remarkably adaptable. Every time you make a better choice, eat better, move more, or breathe deeply, your blood vessels notice. So the next time you pour that cup of coffee, pause for a moment. Add your L-citrulline, stir slowly, and remind yourself this is more than a drink. It's a quiet, daily act of self-care for your heart, your health, and your confidence. Always listen to your body. It has a way of guiding you back to balance if you give it the right support.